Now welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to sign out securely from Proton Mail app. Now, over what to sign out securely? So to sign out securely simply means you ensure that no one with physical access to your device can open your browser or app and instantly access your mailbox. It involves fully terminating your section on the device. You see, Proton Mail's architecture remains built on security. Your data is encrypted on their servers and decryption keys are stored locally in your browser or app section. Signing out destroys these local keys, which is what makes it secure. Now, if you want to know how to sign out on the web, that is Proton Web, check out the video. We have the video on the channel titled How to Sign Out Securely from Proton Mail on Web. Now, what we'll do today is how to sign out on the app. So let me show you how to do it. So this is the Proton app. So you tap on the three lines at the top left. Then you can see the name of you can see your email address. Tap on it, and then tap on the three dots next to it. You can see sign out. Tap on sign out. Then it's asking you it should remove all associated data. So if you want to remove it, tap on it and you tap on sign out, which is the option here. And once you've done that, what happens is the confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on it again to confirm. You're now securely signed out of the app on your mobile device. Now, what it actually does is that it destroys the section keys, it invalidates the section. It tells Proton servers to reject the authentication token for that specific browser or app section. Even if someone recovered the cached data, it would be useless. It also helps you to remove any temporarily decrypted email content from the device's memory. Now, if you ever think you might have forgotten to sign out on a public or shared computer, you can remotely terminate all sessions except your current one. That's what we're going to do in the next video. Now, before we go, know that the most secure way is to ensure you have control over your account access. So please sign out securely. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.